Hi, I'm Michael Steele. Today I'm going to show you a combination from StompFX, and this is a pre-choreographed track to Nasty Girl. It starts with a 7-knee repeater. So 7 knees, change sides, and on the 7 it changes to 2 knees, 2 twists, and 2 knees. So you've got a double knee, the double twist, and a double knee. This will change to a double knee, a single twist, a double knee, and then a double twist and pause. Double, twist, double, and then we do a double twist and pause. This is our nasty twist. So when you're working to the Nasty Girl track, that's what we do. That's part 1. Part 2, we start with a 3 repeated tap. And all we do, as we're going through this, is jump into a preview. So you'll jump into a squat with an accented step back. Jump and step back. And in the music it says please, and it's begging you please. And when she begs for a little more, we're going to change it to a 7 repeated tap. So we've got 7, here, 3, 2, 1, change sides, 7, 6, 5,